Good evening, students. If x equal to root 7 by 5 and 5 by x equal to p root 7, then the value of p is very simple, students. 5 divided by x means take this value root 7 by 5 equal to p root 7. Invert this fraction, student. Invert this fraction. 5 comes to the numerator, no doubt. 5 into 5 divided by root 7 equal to p root 7. Root 7 taking to left side means it comes to the denominator. 5 into 5 by root 7 into root 7 equal to p. 5 5s 25, numerator value. Root 7 into root 7, root 49 value is 7, denominator value. Therefore, p value is 25 by 7. Okay, students, one more question. 81 to the power of minus 1 by 2 to the power of minus 1 by 4 to the power of 2. Very simple problem, students. 81 to the power of numerator value minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1 into 2 divided by denominator value 2 4s are 8. Okay, 81 to the power of 2 1s 2 4s 1 by 4. 81 value is 3 power 4. 3 power 4 means 81 to the power of 1 by 4. 4 get cancelled. 3 power 1 value is 3. Okay, students, please like, share and subscribe my mathematics channel. Thank you, students.